Today's wig is giving realistic, it's giving body, it's giving I am not wearing a wig at all. I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful style that I'm wearing today, and I'm going to give you all the details and show you what you need to do to get your wig to look this fabulous. If you are new to my channel, my name is Marie. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and if you are here, make sure to give this video a like. Let's jump right into today's video. Alright, so today's wig comes from Super B Wigs. It will be linked below in the description box. Be sure to check below this video by clicking the show more button. Now for me, the straight styles are very natural, very realistic. They're closer to the virgin hair state. So I wanted to change it up and just give this hair a more realistic salon look. So what I'm going to do is just mist it down with a little bit of water, make it damp. And we're going to do a roller set on today's wig. And this is just going to help give the hair lots of flow. As you can see, the hair itself is absolutely gorgeous. I love straight styles just because they're so simple. But if you want to curl them, sometimes with curlers, it can make the wig a little flat. So I wanted the wig to have lots of body. So today I'm using these self-grip rollers, and I got these off Amazon. I will link them below in the description box. These have little like Velcro on them, so when you wrap them on the hair, it's going to grip the hair really good, almost like a brush. And then I'm just going to clip it. I am taking bigger sections of the hair because I don't want this to turn into curls. Like I said, I want the salon look. I want to look like I just walked out the salon. So I want to create lots of body in this hair, so I'm using the bigger rollers. And for each section, I did separate two sections, as you can see, and I'm using 6 rollers on one side and 6 on the other. So therefore, you can definitely tell that my sections are very big that I'm taking. When I tell you I love this wig is absolutely gorgeous. As you all can see for yourself, the hair is beautiful, and not to mention it has that super pre-plucked hairline. Now I didn't want to do this on wet hair because it would take forever to dry, so I definitely did it on damp hair. As you guys seen, I spray the hair with a little bit of water. I'm not using any hair products, no oils, nothing. So I'm just going to continue the same process on the other side. This is a 13x6 lace wig, so you do have wefting in the back, as you can see, but you do get a lot of parting space at the front. If you keep on watching, you would definitely see me install this wig, and you will see how you can style it as far as the parting as we get into this video. And if you are still with me, go ahead and drop me some heart emojis below this video so I can know you made it to this point, and I appreciate you so very much. Alright, so once I'm done, I let this sit for at least 2 hours. So give yourself some time with this. Alright, so I'm just going to set this on my head, and we are just going to remove the rollers before we go into the install. Just because I don't want it to pull on my install once I get it done. I mean, I can probably do it without that happening. However, I just want to really see what the curls look like, to be honest. I was very excited to see. I can tell you this, these rollers took this simple style and made it look like I went to the salon and got a silk press, a blowout. I love these rollers. Like I said, I'm going to link them below along with this wig down in the description box. But as you can see, it has so much body. Like, the hair is so soft, so soft. And when I'm taking these rollers out, it's almost like taking a brush through the hair. That's how they feel, because they kind of grip the hair a little bit. And I thought it would mess up the hair and cause a little bit of frizz, but it didn't. It definitely didn't. And I used just a little bit of water. So if you was to use this with heat, as far as sitting underneath a hooded dryer, I'm pretty sure it will be even better. So give it a try, drop me a comment, and let me know how it turned out for you. I want to know, you guys, so drop me some comments, even if you have already tried this. Now, I always do a middle parting so you all can see how much parting space you get with the wig that I'm sharing. So a lot of you, I've been getting comments like, oh my God, your parting's supposed to stop here and stop there. Understand that I'm demonstrating here. So I want you all to know what you're getting. So that's why my partings always be so far back. This wig does come with that 6-inch deep parting. It is a 13x6 cap. So you can do this type of part on the side. You can do it in the middle, wherever you want to do it. As far as the install, I'm not using any adhesive sprays or glues. I'm just using hair mousse and laying down the edges, just because I didn't want to really do a glue install with this wig for today. But as you can see, the hairline looks amazing. I'm just going to tie it down with my sleigh band. This will also be linked below in the description box. And that is basically all that I did for my install. I let that sit for 15 minutes and this wig is just amazing. Okay, so this is what the hair turned out like, and I absolutely think it is gorgeous. It has so much body, and just a little slight curl just gives it just a realistic look that I'm going for. Now, again, you can find this wig linked below in the description box below this video. I will also put a discount code down there for you all. This wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It comes with that Swiss lace, 150% density for those who may be wondering. And I believe you can get the density a little bit higher, just depending on what they have available, I'm guessing. But yeah, be sure to check the website. But this is the finished result. You guys can let me know what you think about it. Do you like it? How do you feel about these rollers? Because I love what it's done to this wig so very much. And if you're wondering, did I bleach the knots on this wig? I absolutely did. I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys about that earlier, so I did bleach the knots on today's wig. So again, thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like the video before you leave, and I will see you all back later this week with another video. Mwah.